So today, I'm gonna be cleaning out Tracy. Hey yo, this is Dash. Yeah! Okay, so we are back out on the side of the house, and I have Tracy here with me. Tracy, wanna say hi to everybody? Hey everybody! Alright, so today I'm gonna get Tracy opened up. We're gonna get the grate cleaned up, we're gonna get the drip tray cleaned up, and most importantly, we're gonna vacuum out a lot of the ash just down in there. So, join me. So it looks like we have a fair amount of ash down in here. Hopefully you can see that well enough. I did turn the light on, so hopefully you can see that. But let's go ahead and get this cleaned out. Alright, that was rather quick and easy. And now we're all clean. Let's go ahead and I have, let me show you. So this is what's left of the fruit pellets I have left, or I had. And because I'd only planned on putting one bag per bucket, you guys saw that in the beginning. But this bag was opened when I was throwing the bags around in the back of the van. This bag busted, so I ended up using more than or had to open it up all the way. Anyway, those are apple. I'm gonna get the smoker started. Smoke. Oh, it was already on. Smoke. And we have pellets coming into the hopper already. Now what's in the hopper, or what was along the bottom of the tube, was what was left of the Pit Boss fruit medley, and then I had a little bit of cherry pellets. And now we are getting the, we're gonna get apple in here, and I'm gonna be cooking dinner. But the main point of this video was to show you me getting the smoker cleaned out, or grill cleaned out, and just how easy it was. Obviously, you guys don't, you know, I had that. I have a friend that works for DeWalt, so I get a good deal a few times a year, like an employee discount on DeWalt tools. That's why I have so many DeWalt tools. So I got that knowing I would be doing something like this to help me clean out not only Tracy, but I'm probably gonna clean out Sammy since I'm standing out here and I'm waiting for Tracy to get started. But nonetheless, I want to take a moment to say thank you guys so very much. You've been so very helpful with the tips and the tricks and other, you know, things like that with Tracy, and I'm learning just like you're going to be learning. So if you have one of these things, you know, definitely keep on watching. So if you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Make sure if you are subscribed, turn on the notification bell. I've heard of some folks not getting notified whenever I do put up a new video. So to alleviate that, or for that not to be a problem, turn on that notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video. And last but not least, again, thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.